Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get into your Ford Fusion trunk with a dead battery. The key to this challenge is understanding that your car's main 12-volt battery is likely located in the trunk itself. When the battery is completely dead, the electronic trunk release will not function, and many modern Fusions lack a physical keyhole for the trunk. This means we need a different approach to gain access. The most effective way to open your trunk with a dead battery is to provide temporary power through the underhood jumpstart terminals. First, locate the positive terminal, usually covered by a red cap, and a suitable negative ground point on the engine block. Connect your positive jumper cable to the terminal and the negative cable to the ground. Then, connect the other end to a working 12-volt battery or a portable jump starter. Once temporary power is flowing to your Ford Fusion, its electrical system will briefly come back to life. This allows you to use the standard electronic trunk release mechanisms. You can either press the trunk release button located inside the car's cabin, typically on the dashboard or driver's door panel, or simply use the trunk release button on your key fob. The trunk will then pop open, giving you full access. With the trunk now open, you can easily locate your car's 12-volt battery. From here, you have several options. You can directly jumpstart your vehicle using the battery terminals in the trunk, or you can remove the battery for testing, charging, or replacement. Remember to always ensure all connections are tight and secure before closing the trunk to prevent future issues. This method ensures you can always get into your trunk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.